Hello everyone, welcome back to my tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to model this machine component using Creo Parametric. Just go to the software, new. We are going to do solid modeling with part modeling and tick this use default template. Just click OK. Now we are going to model in mm. Just go to choose mm, Newton, solid and absolute method. Just click OK. Just select this. Now just go to our model. So this is our model. Now I'm going to draw this cube by using this section 50 and height is 32, the length is 75. Go to the software. I'm just choosing a front plane, sketch view. First draw the center line. Press the roller to conform. Now choose the rectangle. I'm just choosing this rectangle. Just press here. This is so symmetric rectangle. Just click OK. Press roller to conform. Now just go to the picture. This distance is 50 and this height is 32. Go to the model. This is 50 and this is this is 50 and this is 32. Now just click this fit screen. Now your model fitted into model. Just check the dimension. This is 50 and this is 32. So done. Just click OK. Now we just want to extrude this. Just extrude. Just rotate your object by pressing your roller. Now we just want to extrude in both the direction. Symmetric. That extrusion length is 75. Just enter. Now just click OK to confirm. Now we have model. Then we just go to the picture again. This bottom cube we have done. We just want to remove this triangular portion. For that, just go to the model, select the surface, go to sketch view, just go to references, take this side edges or reference for your sketch, then you just close it. Now just go to and check your dimension. We just want to draw a triangular and the distance from the edge to mid here is 25 and here is 16. This distance is 9. Just go to the model, take this line, click this one and click here and click here and close the triangle and press roller to confirm. Again just press roller to confirm. Now just go to dimensions, click this point, click this edge, click here. This distance is 16. Now again go to select this point and select here. Just this distance is 25. So undo it. Again just select this point and select this edge and click here. This is 9. Again just go to here, select this point, select this reference line, click here. This distance also 9. Now we have model our complete one. Just go here. This is 16. This distance is 25. This both the distance are 9. Just go to model. Just press OK to confirm. Now we have designed. We just going to extrude this. Extrude. We just want to change the direction. That extrusion length is 36. Change into 36. Press enter. Then click here. We just want to choose material removal. So I have chosen material removal. Just click OK to confirm. Now we have removed this one. Go to the model again. We have done these portions. Now we just want to model this portion. So we'll take the back surface. From that we'll be drawing this. Go to this. Rotate your object by using your mouse center roller. Select the surface, sketch view. Just take the reference for your sketch. This is I want, this also I want. This also I want. Just close. Now just go to line, do your free sketch, select this point, I'm just drawing this cross section by using free sketch without any dimension. Just press the roller to confirm, again press the roller to confirm. Now we just want to specify the dimensions. Go to the model, this distance is 24 and this height is 56 minus 32 and this distance is 50 minus 12. Okay, now just go to the model, this distance is 24 and go to dimension, select this one and select this edge, this distance is 12. Now one more, we just want to specify this height, just select this point and select this point, press here, this distance is, go to the model, 56 minus 12, we'll get this distance. So 56 minus 12, sorry, 56 minus 32, 56 minus 32. Now we are done. Just click OK to confirm. Go to extrude, just change the direction. Now go to the figure, the extrusion length is 24. Just change into 24, press enter, then click OK to confirm. Now just rotate, standard orientation and select this one. Now we have done our machine component. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. If you have any other method to draw the same component in easy way, please comment me. Thank you.